Hello students, let us begin our lesson. Today's topic is articles. This lesson we have taken from Fun with Grammar book, which we are going to follow this year, and it is published by N.K. Agrawal. I hope that you all have this book. The first lesson is articles. Now students, if I ask you what is article, immediately you will reply me, teacher, a and the. Yes, you are right. A and the are articles. But where to use, how to use, where not to use, these things are very important. Which things we should keep in mind when we write article? Articles are a, and the. These three are articles. These articles we generally use before nouns. What are nouns? You all know. Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. So before that we use article. But here we see there are three main articles, a, and the. These three articles can be divided in two classes. It is divided in two classes. First is definite article and another is indefinite article. Definite article we use for particular person or thing, and indefinite article we use for the consonant sound letter and for vowel sound letter. Now which things we should keep in mind, which things to remember? First, I have written here on the blackboard, the indefinite articles a and n cannot be used before uncountable nouns. Indefinite articles here a and n, these two articles cannot be put or cannot be used before, I have underlined these words, before uncountable nouns. Uncountable means which we cannot count. Diesel, petrol, milk, sugar, tea, this we cannot count. So before that we cannot put indefinite article, that is a and n. Second, a or n can only be used with countable nouns. A or n, a we use for the consonant sound. There are 26 letters, you all know, you must have studied in your earlier standards. There are 26 letters, out of that 21 are consonants, 5 are vowels. Which 5 are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are vowels. So A generally we use before a consonant sound and before beginning with the vowel sound, like a book, a bat, a chair. For vowel sound, an orange, an umbrella. So this way we can bifurcate, we can differentiate the definite and indefinite article. So students, we have seen that we use a before nouns beginning with a consonant sound. Here one example I have written on the board. I spotted a tiger at the national park. I spotted a tiger. Why I have written a? Because it is starting with the letter T, which is a consonant sound. Second, we see we use n before nouns beginning with a vowel sound. As I have told you, a, e, I, o, u are vowels. So here we also saw an ostrich at the farm. Here I have written n. Why n article I have put? Because o is a vowel. That is why I have put n before ostrich. Now, there are certain cases where though it starts with consonant sound and vowel sound, but we can change. How? A is used before words beginning with a vowel, but have a sound of consonant. Once again I am repeating, A is used before words begin a vowel but have a sound of consonant. Now study this sentence. Neha has a university degree. Here you have noticed that U is a vowel, but still I have written A. Have I written wrong? No, I have not written wrong. Why? Because university is spelled with a vowel U, but pronounced U, Y-O-O-U. It pronounced as U. That is why we put A instead of N. In the same way, a noun may also begin with a consonant but have a vowel sound. How? Study this sentence. Raman is an honest trader. Here you have noticed honest begins with H. H is a consonant sound. Then why I have written here A-N? It should be A here. Am I right? No, I am not right. Here it should come A-N. Why? Because though H is there, but H is silent. We don't say honest. We don't say Raman is an honest man. No, we don't say. H is silent when we pronounce. We say Raman is an honest man. So when we speak, when we pronounce O. That is a vowel sound. That is why I have put N here. Is it clear, children? Okay. Okay, students. So now we will move to the definite article the. Now where the is used, it's very important. Let us begin with the first sentence. The is used before particular or specific person, place or thing. Let us make it clear. This is the boy who won last match. Here why I have written the boy? Because this is the same boy who won the match. So that is why in the second time when we refer to that time we use the instead of a. Second, the is used before common nouns which are names of unique of their kind. Example, the sun, the moon, the stars, they are unique in their kind. There are not 2-3 suns, there are not 2-3 moons, there is only one kind of sun. So here I have written the sun sets in the west. Here I have not written a sun, I have written the sun. Why? Because it is only one particular word or the sun which we found on earth. The sun sets in the west. Now here also I have written the. So before the name of particular person, thing, even before the directions, east, west, north, before that also we put the. Third, the is used before names of rivers, seas, mountains, mountain ranges, oceans, valleys, desert. Before that also we use the. How? The Pacific Ocean, the Thar Desert, the Atlantic Ocean, then we can say the Himalayan mountains, mountain ranges, not single mountain. I am talking about mountain ranges, more than one mountain. So here also we put the. Fourth, the is used before superlative degree. Degrees of comparison you must have learned 3 types of degree. In the third degree, that is superlative degree, there also we put the. You are the best boy in my class. Here best is the superlative degree. So before that we use the. The is used before races and nations. The English, this is the people who lived in England are known as English. So the English ruled over India. The Muslims is the one community. The Muslims believe in Quran. So here also before English, before Muslims we use the. So students, we have learned how we can use articles a and the in the sentence. Now we'll see how in certain cases the can be omitted. Here I have written omission of the definite article the. In certain cases we cannot write the. First, we travel by land, by sea, by bus. We do not say we travel by the land, the sea, the bus. That way we cannot say. We can say we travel by bus, by train, by air, etc. Similar way, second, we say go to school, go to market, go to fair. We cannot say go to the school, go to the market, go to the fair. It is wrong. We always say we go to school daily, we go to market every evening. That way we can say. Third, we do not use the article before games. I play football, tennis equally well. Here I have not written the football, the tennis. It is understood. I play football and tennis well, not the football and the tennis well. So here we can omit the before the name of games. We do not use the before plural nouns. Very important. Before plural nouns, we do not use the or any article. Apples are good to eat. Here you see apples. It is a plural noun, not apple. If I read apple are good to eat, then I could have written an apple. But here the noun is in plural, apples, more than one. That is why I have not used article the. So apples are good to eat, here also not the apple. We do not use the before names of materials. Gold, silver, these are the names of materials. Before that also we can omit writing the. Gold is a precious metal, not the gold is a precious metal. It is wrong. So gold is a precious metal. Why we have not added the here? Because it is the name of material. We just omit writing the before the name of materials. Last, we do not use the before the names of meals in general. Meals means lunch, dinner, breakfast, brunch. These are the names of meals. Before that also, we do not write the. Why do you have dinner? Here I have not written the dinner or dinner. I have not written that. Have you had lunch? Here also lunch and dinner. These are the names of meals. So before that also we cannot use the. We can omit the. So I hope you all have understood. You must have cleared all the three articles, where to use, how to use. Exercise is given. It will be uploaded on the website. You can solve it. Thank you.